Hello everyone, in this lesson we are going to discuss about basic data types. In Golang we have a list of 8 basic data types. First we have bool for boolean, then we have string for character string, then we have int for integer numbers, then we have uint for unsigned integer numbers, then we have byte. Byte is actually a alias for 8 bits unsigned int. Then we have rune to represent Unicode points. Rune also alias for 32 bits integer. Then we have float for numbers with floating points. Then we have complex for complex numbers.